Here we have the snow chains or tire chains from McDougall auction, and they're for 12 by 16.5 tires, and got them for 87 bucks and 92 bucks a pair on the online auction. And so far they have helped a lot. They're made for this size of tire, but it varies because there was a lot of slack, but I was able to get them hooked up and they haven't fell off. I got the cam locks for tightening, and they've helped a lot in the snow. So if anybody was wondering about the tire chains that McDougall auction has been selling, here they are. They come in little sacks and it says made in China, but so far they're holding up. I put them to quite a test, and we're gonna do another demo and go plow some more snow. We had a big snowfall in our area. It was about 24 inches within 2 days. So it's already settled now and has been melting, so it's wet and heavy. So that we gotta clear this trail. So let's go try them out and give you guys a look at what they do, how they help. But I've noticed a huge difference. Without them, you can go do quite a bit, but you start spinning. But this is just that extra traction. It's just normal chain. It doesn't got any spikes on it or anything, but see, it's wore the gold color off so far anyway. But I don't know, I've put probably 5 hours on them at least, and so far so good. Haven't had to retighten or adjust. Oh, the only thing is that this set was crimped together opposites. I guess you can see here. So the rest of the chain was hooked on, say, this side, and then this one was hooked on this side of the link. So then it just kind of bunched up and made it sit funny like this. And you'd think you could kind of flip it around or something, but you can't. See right here, it's on this side of the link, and then it's on this side and this side. The rest of the chains were good. They weren't like that, and they fit good. Just this one set, so that's the only complaint I've had so far. Well, yeah, and we got the big 84-inch snow bucket. So let's go fill it up and give it a try with these McDougall tire chains. Thanks, guys.